Today's wine text is the 2014 Morrell-Lawrence Concrete Series Syrah from the Walla Walla in Washington. So we've done other Walla Walla wines, and I think, you know, a lot of the mindset of those wines tend to be, we're going to find value wines, Cabernet, Merlot, Chardonnays from Walla Walla that are similar to wines from Napa Valley. And by doing that, you find great value in Walla Walla. Well, this is going to be Syrah, which I think in Washington, and when it comes to American Syrah, is on the forefront of making some of the best in the country. So this is going to be a very full-bodied red wine. The ABV is pretty high on this, but the intensity of the grapes that they get in Walla Walla specifically for Syrah will always balance that out. You're going to have a lot of big red fruit, a lot of aromas of smoke, that bacon fat, the really savory style Syrah that you really tend to think of, while having really big floral notes as well. Remember that this is the Concrete Series, so it doesn't really spend time in oak, so that influence of that rich vanilla and all of that isn't actually there. You're gonna get way more of the, you know, just meaty savoriness and the natural terroir of the ground coming through the wine. This is a massive red wine. I think that even though it's going on 6 years of age, a couple more years will really let it level out. But if you're gonna open it now, definitely throw it in a decanter for a little while, let it open up and balance out and become more elegant over time. This is a really cool wine, and for anybody that likes really full-bodied red wines, this is a great example of how good the Syrah from Walla Walla Valley is becoming. Enjoy.